Okay. Got asked about what this looks like, the how to format your text looks like on a screen reader, so I thought I'd make a video.
Show button.
So
Enter.
this is what this looks like.
Blank. Quote equals someone said quoted material here quote. Blank. This is B bold B and I italics I and S strike through S. Blank. Go to URL equals https, Pezocom Pezo Incorporated URL. Blank. Contact email customer service Pezocom email. Blank. List 1 to list. Blank. This is bigger 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 and this is smaller smaller smaller. Blank. This is OOG out of character commentary OOG for play by post threads. Blank. Spoiler equals movie plot spoiler. This is a spoiler, such as revealing who really did frame Roger Rabbit spoiler. Blank. Dice equals perception 1d23, 1d6 2 dice. This is a dice expression. Blank. Spoiler equals movie plot spoiler. This is a spoiler, such as revealing who really did frame Roger Rabbit spoiler.
Okay, now how you find out exactly what the formula is for going ahead and formatting text is by arrowing through each and every one of these characters. The pain in the ass is when they make these long strings of text in between the formatting. Because, well,
left bracket.
This is what happens.
S P O I L E bar equals M O V I E space P L O T space S P O I L E bar right bracket T H I S space I S space A space S P O I L E bar comma space S U C H space A S space bar E V E A L I N G space W H O space bar E A L L Y space D I D space F bar A M E space bar O G E bar space bar A B B I T period left bracket slash S P O I L E bar right bracket.
Because you want to make sure that you're not missing any punctuation or any weird idiosyncrasies of the stupid formula. You have to go character by character, arrowing through the stupid thing. So any long, stupid strings of sentence structure that they decide to put in there that's completely unnecessary, you have to go through one by one, letter by letter, arrow by arrow, through the damn thing. And, well, a long-ass sentence like that makes it really, really difficult to go through.
Blank.
So
this
what
is all
you
out of
end up
character comment
doing,
blank. Spoiler equals movie plot spoiler. This is space. Left bracket.
is going through it a billion times to learn the stupid formula because you can't possibly remember it, or at least I can't, the first time you go through it because, well, you have to be able to figure it out. What is necessary out of that entire mess and what isn't. Because it's not a simple, well, brackets, here's the word you need, here's the punctuation you need, X equals this, mess, put in whatever you need here, and then this is the ending formulaic thing. It's a whole bunch of extraneous text.
O I L E bar equals blank. Dice equals perception
here,
1d23, 1d6 2 dice. This is a dice expression.
This sounds like a formula.
Space. Left bracket. D I C E.
It's dice
equals
P
E bar C E P T I O N.
Perception.
Right bracket.
Right bracket. So left bracket, dice equals perception. So I know that perception or acrobatics or athletics, the skill set goes there. And then I put the right bracket.
D 2 0.
Okay, so 1, the dice, D for dice, and then the type of dice
Space,
I need.
plus.
And then the plus
Space,
sign.
3. semicolon,
Okay, so that's probably the modifier for that formula.
space,
And then I don't know why the semicolon is there, but it's probably because I'm going to do another formula.
D.
So 1, yeah, okay, so that's another formula. So 1D, so the number of dice, D for dice.
6.
6, so that's another type of dice.
Space, plus space,
sign.
2. Left
2.
bracket.
Left
slash,
bracket.
D.
Slash.
I. C. E.
Dice.
Right bracket, space.
Right bracket. So that closes it out. So that's an obvious, easy way for me to know what type of formula that is. It's short, it's sweet, it's easy to understand. And I can easily pick out from that how to go ahead and plug and play what the formula is. Whereas
spoiler equals movie plot spoiler. This is a spoiler, such as revealing who really did frame Roger Rabbit spoiler.
That, when I have to go through and arrow through this
equals MOVIE space PLOT space SPOILER right bracket T.
I'm sorry, when I get about halfway through this, I've forgotten what the heck what the first thing was. Because the mess in between is so long.